Okay, last time I showed you guys how to remove this glaze. The glaze rotor when you're trying to brake. How smooth they are. It's bad for when you're braking. You feel like your brakes are going out. So I found the fast way of getting them scratched when the glaze starts coming out. And I bought this from O'Reilly's. It's a brake hub cleaner pads. They work perfect. All you need is 21. I didn't buy their kits where it comes with the socket. 21 and the impact. And it works good. I just can't put fresher because I'm recording.